Today we went bass fishing. Here's what we caught.
Jake's got one. He's got a bass. Let's get the hook out. Nice bass by Jake. Not a small guy.
See you later, bass.
There she goes. Jake's got one here.
Huge bass. If that's a bass.
Yeah, it's a bass. Oh, she's in.
Okay, releasing.
Nice bass by Jake, of course. And there she goes.
Mason just caught a pike. Unfortunately, Mason didn't get a bass, but at least he got a pike. Feisty lake snake.
Nice pike. First fish for me. Let's get the release. Just wait. There she goes.